Hey guys, I'm Kyle Bear with KB Social Media and Online Advertising. And this video here is specifically for restaurants advertising online, the best way to advertise online, and what we are currently doing to find success, and how the Facebook pixel works so that you can track every single dollar that you spend and the return you get on the spend specifically for online ordering. During this time of quarantine, I hope everybody is healthy and safe. We have the system put in place so the restaurants can still grow and thrive during these difficult times, and they know exactly where their money is going in online advertising because every dollar is crucial at the moment. So let's dive into this, right? Starting off here, you can see that this is my Facebook business manager for a business called Bahia Bowls, which have two locations, one in Estero, Florida, one in Cape Coral, Florida. And really what we're gonna focus in on this is I'm gonna start off with the success and why the ad has success, and then I'm gonna go into the Facebook pixel aspect. So if you're a business owner, here's some numbers for you. In the last 7 days, we spent 130, we spent a total of $132.87, okay, in the last 7 days in total. The last 3 days, I've been tracking their purchases. They finally let me add the pixel to the website. I've been tracking their purchases. In the last 3 days, we've made $134.42 on online sales, okay? So these numbers look like they're breaking even. Come back to me, and if you're interested in what they look like in 7 days when we have a full tracking report, set up a meeting, give me a call. I'll show you exactly how much money we're making with online advertising. Again, this tracks it down to the penny using the Facebook pixel. If you're a business owner, you can skip to the end now, and I'll give you some more information on how to do it. If you're running your own Facebook ads, pay close attention. I'm going to give you the details of why we're finding success here. Again, we just started tracking 3 days ago, just got the pixel on there, but we are doing Facebook offers, and Facebook offers are absolutely killing it, and I'm going to show you why. So we're going to go into this overall campaign here. The ad sets are for 2 separate locations. I was doing a little A/B testing against the lookalike audiences. Don't mind me here. What I want to show you is that when we get into here and we actually edit the ad set, so if you're in Facebook, if you're new to Facebook Business Managers, this is the overall campaign. This is the ad set. These are the ads within the ad set, okay? So the ad set is the customer base that we're reaching out to. In here, there's a little toggle that says offer. You turn the offer on and you can build out specific offers, right? For this one, we have a 10% off for online ordering for pickups with a promo code HEALTHY. If you go into this, you'll find that you can also do individual UPC codes so that you can have each single customer that claims an offer gets their own unique UPC code, have the UPC code uploaded into the POS system of the restaurant. They can scan the UPC through their phone, and then you can actually track direct response from the UPC codes or direct response of coupons. Much better, just same system that direct mail is doing with their UPC codes, you can do through Facebook advertising. If you want just a coupon code such as healthy, you can put the wording in there, and I'll show you what it looks like to the customers for a minute. You can do total offers available, so you can restrict the amount of offers, and there's also an expiration date on there as well. So that's the only difference when it comes into the ad development. Now let's preview what the ad will actually look like and how the customer engages with the advertisement. This is the awesome part, right? So this one has a better engagement rate. I'm going to preview this, and I'm going to preview it not here on the Facebook Business Manager, but actually on the Facebook, so you guys will get to see my little personal Facebook and what's going on in my life. The reason this is so powerful is because instead of having a lead form where you're getting their contact information, or you're having store locations that is a direct get directions, which makes the customer have an immediate call to action and they have to use their advertisement right there and then, this is a more long-term game that has several follow-ups built into the system. So not only are they seeing your initial advertisement, which we're about to see here, they are seeing the offer, an expiration date, so a strong call to action, as well as the need and see to actually use the offer. So if I scroll down here, offer should be right here, the ad right there. So the ad's right here, nice little slideshow video. You got the strong call to action here. You have some nice copy. And then you can see this button here is a get offer button. It's not a learn more, it's not a shop now, it's a get offer. When I click the get offer button, it's going to do one of two things. On the mobile version, does not look as good as, or I'm sorry, on the desktop version, it does not look as good as the mobile version. Mobile version is beautiful. It works seamless. It's amazing. Go check this out via mobile. If you want to see it for yourself, let me know. I'll send you the link, right? When it comes to the desktop, what you're going to have is you're going to have a pop-up on Facebook itself, which is the offer. It's going to have the expiration date, how many coupons are available, and also a save button. You will not be able to see the coupon code until you click the save button. So let me show you. It instantly popped up our ordering page, okay? But now if you go back to Facebook, this pop-up here will have the same video. You'll be able to save the offer for later. So when I save the offer there, my offer is now saved to my Facebook page, and it's also sent to me via email on every email I have on Facebook. So I have the touch point of the advertisement, the touch point of the email, and now I have a third touch point of the saved offer in my Facebook wallet, and a fourth touch point, which is Facebook will actually send your customer a reminder that says, hey, you have claimed this offer. Would you like to use it? Either 10 days after you claim the offer or whenever you drive into the immediate location of the business, right? Extraordinarily powerful. So now here we have the coupon code. It's saved. The coupon code's right here. I can click this and copy it, and I can click shop now. And again, it'll send me right over to the ordering page. When you do this on mobile, it comes up as a tab on the bottom of the screen where you have to save the offer before you can get the coupon code. It's 10 times as powerful, right? And since about 86% of the traffic we're getting today is coming through mobile, that's where the majority of your customers are going to be finding this advertisement. So the next step, now restaurant business owners, Facebook professionals, you learn that when you do Facebook offers, you will not only get an advertisement from the customer, but you also get multiple touch points because of the offer structure on Facebook. You'll also get a reminder via email, plus a reminder via Facebook notifications to use the offer, as well as you have the ability to do unique UPC codes, and this offer will send them directly to the order page. So they can use it now, they can use it later when they get their notification, or they'll get notified as well when they drive in the local area of the business. So that's what we get out to the customers. How do we track exactly how the customer purchases? So I'm going to go here to the Bahia Bowls online ordering page. Now, Bahia Bowls has a website, then they have location pages, and then they have online ordering pages for each location. Okay, this one is a specific online ordering page for the Cape Coral location. So I hit OK here. This little plugin right here is absolutely incredible. So I'm going to move this over here. This little plugin here is made to test Facebook pixels on websites. Okay. It tells me that right here, I have a Facebook pixel, and I have microdata that is sending information back to my Facebook Business Manager so that I can track certain aspects. What am I tracking here? I'm tracking add to carts, right? If the customer adds a cart or adds any products in the cart and then goes forward to the shipping and the sales process, you'll see this one is at page view. If we go and say we minimize this, okay. Add something to the cart. Beautiful. Add it to the cart. I go to the checkout page. Okay. It's going to ask me to sign in as a guest. What I'm doing on the Facebook Pixel side is that I'm actually separating each page to have a different dynamic event. Okay. This is, if you worked with Pixel before, this is nothing different. The main focus here is that now with Facebook, you're able to track, with everyone doing online ordering, you can track exactly what is the cost of their order through the new Facebook business tool that allows you to optimize your pixel. So continue as a guest. You can see we have pixel information here as well. So we have button click information, we have page view, and we have microdata, which is all information getting sent back to our Facebook Business Manager. So I want to continue as a guest. Here we have completely different pixel information. So this one right here, button click automatically detected. That is this. This is finalized order. So when it detects this information, it'll actually take the grand total price here, and when they hit finalize order, that price gets registered as a purchase payment back into Facebook. Okay. So if you need help setting the pixel, If you need help with a tool, please let me know. I'll help you out for free. I love working with businesses and doing whatever I can, especially for restaurants, to make sure they improve. If you're doing Facebook advertisements for a restaurant and you're not doing this, you're doing them a disservice and yourself a disservice, honestly, because you probably are tired of listening to this isn't working or we're having problems. This will tell you exactly how well it's working. Okay. For restaurant owners, this is the most important thing you could possibly have, because you'll know how much money to put towards ads. If you know that if you can put $2 in ads and get $10 back, you'll find a lot more $2 bills laying around to make sure that you get $10 over and over and over again. This is a replicatable system. This is a system with paid advertising, especially during this time when our costs are a little bit lower, that you'll find success in. When the quarantine comes out and everyone's in the digital age, we can't promise you the cost will be the same as digital marketers. But at the current moment, if you are a restaurant and you have online ordering, please set up Facebook advertisements with your pixel set up correctly so that you can ensure that you're getting the most out of your online advertising and completely tracking your dollar. Awesome, guys. If you have any questions, again, I'm Kyle Berry, owner of KB Social Media and Online Advertising. I love helping out all types of restaurants and other businesses. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Always here to help. Hope this helped out some people. Hope your guys' restaurant thrives and survives through this horrible pandemic. Everyone stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe. Talk to you guys soon.